Welcome guys. Today I have a very interesting video about top 3 reasons for TCL TV black screen and its fixes. So stick to the video, watch till end, and I will show you how to diagnose the fault and how to fix this problem. So don't skip any part, viewers. Viewers, step number 1 is perform a flashlight test of your TV. It is very important to check your TV backlight is fault or there is another problem. So power on your TV and release the standby button. Make sure your TV is in on condition. Then take a torch or a mobile phone. I'm pressing the TV power key, viewers. This method will work on all TVs irrespective of the TV brands. So don't be worried. Take a torch light or a mobile phone torch and focus its light on the screen in the TV on position. You can see that there is a display under the screen. When the light focuses on it, you can see a display. So this tells us that our TV screen or panel is okay, but there is a problem in the backlight inverter or backlight strip. Maybe our backlights are faulty or backlight driver area is faulty. So the first problem is, viewers, it's backlight driver section area. Open the TV back case and check your backlight inverter area with the help of a multimeter. Put its range on DC to DC volt, ground 1 probe. Put the red probe on the output section of backlight inverter area. The complete video link is in the description and I button. You can watch it, the complete video how to add external backlight driver to the faulty motherboard. This is how you can add an external backlight driver, viewers. It may consist of 3 or 4 types. As you can see that complete video details will be in the description. How to add an external backlight driver to your TCL TV. So watch that in description. Hope you have understand it. This is the first problem. Now problem number 2 is, viewers, TCL TV panel or screen problem. Some TVs have a T-con like this. You can see that, and some have scalar PCB. The DC to DC voltages are on the scalar PCB. So always, if your inverter area is okay, then go to this part. Check your DC to DC voltage on your T-con scalar and scalar PCB. If all the voltages are okay, then move to the next part. Viewers, complete video on this method is also in the description box and on the I button. You can watch it here. Now coming to the most important part, backlight strip, viewers. Viewers, this is the reason for almost 90% all TV black screens. You can see that on the left side it is before repair and on the right side it is after repair. Display is okay. On the left side it is black screen, on the right screen the display is okay. For this, viewers, you have to open the back panel and all the attached accessories. As you can see that you have to remove the scalar PCB and detach it from the main board. Take care of all the screws. Then you have to turn your TV and take out the front bezel like this. Now you have to detach the panel and lift it and put it on a side. This is the most critical part, viewers. Remove the plastic fitting also. Viewers, complete method for this video is also given in the description box and I button. You can watch the video in detail. Viewers, these are the backlight strips and oftenly these are bad. So you have to check these by multimeter, these by LED testers. It have checkpoints. You can see that some bulbs are not glowing on the right side, so this backlight strip is faulty. We have to remove this and install a new one. Then our display will be fine. I have bought a new ones. Take care that the new LED strips have the same model and same bulbs and of the same voltages, so it can fix easily. I am checking the new one. You can see that all the bulbs are glowing. LED bulbs are glowing. It is okay, viewers. Now I will check the second one. Now I will replace the bad ones with the new ones. This procedure will work for all the TCL models, irrespective of the screen size and model. After fixing the new ones, I will check in the open case by attaching the keypad. You can see that I have pressed the power key and our backlights are glowing. Now our backlight strips are okay and we can assemble the TV. Do all the steps that you have done on opening in sequence. Assemble it. Attach all the cables and screws. Attach the back covers. You can see that our display is fine and black screen problem has been solved. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Keep watching and subscribe the channel. Thank you, viewers.